Please get the machine charged for more than 3 hours before the first time to use to activate the battery and prolong its service life. How to install Gutta Percha. Firstly, open the hatch when the machine is not heating, pick up the Gutta Percha with tweezer and then close the hatch. The Gutta Percha might be melted or leaked if the machine is heating. Push the pushing ram into the specified ring position, otherwise the sealing ring could be damaged and lead to the leakage. Do not pre-bend the tip with any device other than the matching spanner, or it could be broken down. In addition, the pre-bending must be done before the reducer and not too close to the root to avoid twist or breaking. Limits recommended to pre-bend the tip when the machine is heating to ensure higher toughness of the tip, lower risk and longer tip life. Install the heat insulation sleeve for the tip and the heat insulation hood for the machine to avoid scalds before the machine is heating. Pull the trigger to fill the Gutta Percha when heated to the preset temperature. Do not press down the tip with force, otherwise the root of the tip could be broken down. Turn off the machine immediately after the filling to avoid unaccepted scalds. Also, it will prolong the battery life. Wipe off the remaining Gutta Percha after each use, and the surface of the machine should be cleaned with phenol-free disinfectant. When cleaning Gutta Percha inside the machine, make sure the temperature reach at least 150 degrees Celsius. Clean the inner from back to front with a cleaning brush. Wrong cleaning direction might lead to fault. Check the sealing ring every week, and use the spanner to tighten it to prevent the block. Please replace it in time if there is any abrasion.